Good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 31. The question says, which of the following is not a source of vital statistics? A. School health records. B. Markets. C. Hospitals. D. Dispensaries and e-clinics. Now, what are these vital statistics? Vital statistics refers to what? Important informations. Important what? Informations pertaining health of individuals. Now, when we say vital statistics, we simply refers to what? We refers to birth data. We refers to birth data. We refers to mortality data. Mortality data. We have what? Fetal death data, that is death of young ones. We have linked birth and death data, marriage and divorces. Now, all these are what? Vital what? Statistics. Even national maternal and infant health surveys, all these are vital statistics. Now the question says, which of the following is not a source of vital statistic? Now all these data, all these statistics involving what? The birth data, mortality data and so on, can actually be gotten from what? From school health records, because school health records definitely will carry the birth of what? Of pupils or students, and also some disease associated with them. Even the hospitals also. Hospital is one of the best places where vital statistics can be what's gotten. Even the dispensaries and the clinics. But now in the markets where transactions, where selling and buying of goods occur, it is not possible to get what these vital statistics from what? Market. So therefore, market is not a source of what? Vital statistics, making it the correct answer to this question, which is option B. Because in markets, the major activities in the market is buying and selling, not what? Not keeping of vital statistics or keeping of best data or datas concerning the health of what? Individuals. So the answer to this question is option B, markets. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.